moments is we had first LEGO League robotic scrimmage at our facility. We had probably 15 or 20 teams show up, so anywhere between 70 and 150 kids from the age of 10 to 14 or 9 to 14 dealing with robotics. It was such pandemonium because we don't have structure and we don't do that for adults. We didn't do it for kids. And for the first 5 or 10 minutes, every team captain and every teacher and parent involved looked like they were ready to explode because there was just utter chaos. Within 10 or 15 minutes, all of these 10 or 15 unique teams completely self-organized. They figured out who was going to be in what room, share rooms. They were collaborating, they were sharing parts, they were sharing ideas, even though they'd never met each other. And it got to the point by the end of the day, even when the parents would try to control it, they had such control of the way things were working, short of the referees stopping and starting. It just showed to me the possibility of when we get out of the way and let people be themselves without all of the exterior bullshit, that they inherently work together, solve problems together, and are excited about life. And I just think, what would it be like if the biggest corporations in the world acted more like 9 through 14-year-olds and managers got the hell out of the way and let people just be human again? What kind of problems could we really solve? And so for me, that was like one of the enlightening moments for me again.